Okay, let's start. Okay, good morning to all. Myself Kritika. I am going to introduce our product Stu Pro to all. Stu Pro, the name says that we are changing students to professional. It denotes Stu Pro. So I am now currently a fourth year student. Um I faced some problems. That's why I collected what are the issues I am facing and integrated it and give some solutions through StuPro. It will help students to uh, same like me will solve their problems also. Nowadays, problems that students we are facing is the main point where I'm going to say. Uh, what might be the problem in building our career? That's the main thoughts come to in our mind, come to in my mind. Um, Initially, I don't know in which path I need to go, and there is no any professional support for me, and there are many distractions in my uh, ca- in my first year, second year, and third year, and there are many. There is no consistency with me to follow my domain. So these are the issues I faced re- um in my 3 years. So what what are the solutions we will make to resolve this? That makes me to um, develop this solutions to pro. So there is no reason for our um, uh, reason for our career. We don't know how to build our career. So what are the reasons? There is no profession proper guidance to us. Next, there are many resources available in browser, but we are not utilizing it properly, and there are many distractions with us. That's the main problem available to us, and there is no consistency. These are the main problems we are facing nowadays. So to solve this, we develop our app Stu Pro. So to solve this, we develop our app Stu Pro. So in Stu Pro, we will provide professional guidance, like the professionals um, will also in Stu Pro, who are like-minded to help students. They will sign up in our Stu Pro app. Then students also sign up in our Stu Pro app. Okay. Then we have AI powered chatbots. In that, we the common questions asked by students will be feeded in that chatbot. So for resume building, we I faced many problems, like in I don't know how to make a proper resume, how to make how to build a LinkedIn profile, how to maintain a GitHub repos, and how to how to go in a correct path in our career. So for all this, Stupro is the only solution, because we all provide in an one platform. Like we provide chatbots, and we will provide trending articles, trending products, and trending GitHub repos. In that's not like a link format. We will shown in a different format that will attract users and students. Like we don't give the exact articles like in browser and other things. We will provide you in different manner, like it will be in cards and it will be not overwhelming of content. The content will be very short. It's crispy to read, and it makes us to read. It motivates us to read, or it makes us interested to read. That's why we provide these contents all in a card based manner. Then there are many coding platforms available um in our environment, but we are not using it properly. There is no consistency with us. That is the main problem, and we got demotivated always. So for that, we don't. Sir, don't laugh, sir. Wait. For that, we provide. We not just to provide a problem statement and tell to solve the problem. We will guide you in how to solve the problem in step by step manner. That will be shown in your card, but a separate environment will be given as a link. Okay, it will help initially if a student come to lead code or hacker rank. They don't know how to solve the problem. If we guide them in a step by step manner, they got eagerness in it, and they got some interest in it to solve it. That's why we integrated coding challenges in it. Then we integrated some puzzles to solve it, because always reading the content will bore us. So some puzzles will be included in it. It become some cherished, become happy to all. Then we included. Uh, then there are many features available in it. So for resume building, LinkedIn profile, and for GitHub for GitHub repos maintenance, the professional will be available in our app. So the guidance will be provided to all. So you can take time in it to build easily. So these all features available in our product. So these are all normally these all resources are scattered in our platform. So we don't go and search in firstly we don't go and search. These all in one place, which help student to build their career in a correct path. They initially there is a simple login and sign up. The only thing only they need to choose as a they are a college student or a professional. That's the only thing they have to choose in a sign up thing. Then then student can see, come into and can view article cards, product cards, GitHub repos, and push notifications are available in our app. To daily, we don't know many phrases. For our career, communication is the major part in our career. So to improve our communications and vocabulary, we included phrases of the day or sentence of the day. This will improve the students to excel in their communication skills. Then to maintain students to in our app, always in our app, we maintain some streaks, some coins, streaks. Initially we set up some streaks only. In furthermore future we will implement a lot. Okay. The unique selling points of our app are, I think so there is no app like our app, like us, like our product. We aggregate informations from a popular up, medium, from product hunt. We are gathering resources from the content from them, and the trending things resources will be shown in our app. So it helps students to gain their knowledge in a better way. Then real time coding challenges. Our app is helping students to solve their problem in a step by step manner, where other platforms don't do it. This is our main advantage. Then personalized career guidance, so a professional will be available to guide you. Our target audience are students, graduates, tech enthusiasts. Say, from market analysis, we are developing our product in a mobile application. Why not website? This question arises to all, because all the students, we have mobile in our hand always. So whenever you like to learn, you will open our app and enjoy it. Why Android? So why not iOS? There are more Android users than iOS, and than iOS. So initially, our target audience are Android users. In future, we will implement it for iOS also. The main reason for is 90% of Android users are available in the market. Okay, let's connect together to build a strong nation. If you have any questions, you are welcomed.
I have two questions.
Okay.
First, the information which you have provided in your app is from the reliable sources.
Yes. The it is from the reliable sources only. We take the content from reliable sources and rephrase it and provided in a crispy manner.
How do you maintain the consistency of it?
Through push notifications and streaks, because they don't get we don't let users to demotivate. That's why we maintain streaks and push notifications. Any other questions? Yes. um, some like SK sir, so Senthil Kumar sir, there are many many professionals are like to help students like us. No, they will involve in our app. Initially, from sign up, we will ask for college students or professional. If they choose professional, we will allocate separate things for them. They also learn from it.
How can we connect with
How can you connect with them? They already signed up in our Stu Pro. So um, we list their names and their career, all these things. So you can choose one of them to ask guidance. That's all.
we can directly message them or directly connect with
You can schedule it. You can ask them and message them to schedule.
You have provided coding challenges in mobile phone.
Yes.
It will be easy to use coding.
Yes, it's a good question. The steps will be given. Um, yeah, yes, it's difficult to use in mobile phone. Uh, my my teammate will answer this. Say good.
For me, the solution cards like steps only. We don't need the platform to write the code, so you don't need to work it out.
So
The
how to
question will
solve?
be
How எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு கேட்குறாங்க.
we provide a solution.
Provide
First,
a
we
problem
will provide
statement.
a problem statement.
Yeah,
Then we will go
other part.
with the solution step by step. First, you can do this. Then do this.
Guidance.
Provide the guidance. For example, if you want to create a component, we tell them to first create two components. Then pass the drafts to the next component.
What about the coding challenges? So you mentioned challenges. So you're giving the solution already. So how did it become a challenge?
Sir,
It's not challenge. Students can learn from the challenge how to solve these problems when it comes to interviews or when they face the real
they will
doing projects. They will know how to do it.
So they
Learn from the problems.
we will provide the environment also, link also. They will go there and solve the problem. Initially, we will guide only. They will go to that environment and solve the problem.
They can practice in the
By your presentation, I get that so when the stick is on, like when the stick is, you
Okay,
said
okay.
just a learning platform, not doing something. So how the sticks will maintain when it's spark like
Okay, okay. We maintain streaks by they are
when login or something.
so they
doing
are
a
reading
practice.
articles. Okay, they are reading articles. If they read
How do
daily,
you know they read articles?
if they go inside and swipe the cards, we will know. No. In that manner, we will maintain our streaks.
So if the student signing an app, for the login we give one streak. Then if they read the card articles, we provide 7 slides. They cannot come out of the article until they finish it. For that we give another one streak. And for the coding challenges, if they finish the challenge, we give another streak one. So we provide 3 streaks, and if for login separate streak, and for the articles one
Articles.
separate streak, and for the coding challenges, so we provide 3 streaks. For particular, if a user login after 2 minutes they spend or 5 minutes, we provide streak.
We are working on it. We need to improvise it. Is there any other questions? The card format will be available. No, the card will be available. The sentence, the paragraph will be shown in cards. You can swipe it in like that manner.
We also provide English.
Thank you.
do 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 do